Corporation soul and corporate personality. Introduction. A corporation soul is a legal person consisting of a single office and its successive holders. It is created to ensure continuity of office, even when the person holding the office changes. Corporate personality means that a corporation or company is treated by law as a separate legal person, different from its members. In jurisprudence and company law, the concept of corporate personality explains how the law gives a separate legal identity to certain non-human entities. One important form of such legal person is a corporation soul. Both concepts help in understanding how institutions and offices function smoothly under law. Corporate personality. Meaning. Corporate personality means that a corporation or company is treated by law as a separate legal person, different from its members. Corporate personality means that an organization or body is recognized by law as a separate legal person, different from its members or owners. Once corporate personality is given, the organization can own property, enter into contracts, sue and be sued in its own name. The rights and liabilities of the organization are separate from those of its members. This concept is very important in company law and jurisprudence, as it allows institutions to function independently and continuously. Main features. A corporation has a separate legal identity from its owners or members. It can own property in its own name. It can sue and be sued. It has perpetual succession, meaning it continues even if members change. The rights and liabilities of the corporation are separate from those of its members. Importance. Corporate personality allows companies, institutions, and bodies to function independently and efficiently. It is the foundation of modern business and administration. Corporation soul. Meaning. A corporation soul is a special type of legal person consisting of a single office and its successive holders. It is created by law to ensure continuity of rights and duties attached to an office, even when the person holding the office changes. The corporation does not end with the death or retirement of the office holder. Property and powers belong to the office itself, not to the individual. Examples of corporation soul include the President of India, Governor of a state, and certain religious heads. The concept of corporation soul helps in smooth administration and perpetual succession of an office. Nature. It is not a group of persons. The office continues forever, though the office holder changes. Property belongs to the office, not to the individual person. Examples. President of India. Governor of a state. Bishop or religious head of a church. Features. Single legal entity consisting of one office. Perpetual succession. The office never dies. Property remains with the office, not with the individual. Helps in smooth transfer of rights and duties. Difference between corporation soul and corporate personality. Nature. A corporation soul is a single legal office that continues through successive holders, while corporate personality refers to the general concept where an organization is recognized as a separate legal person. Number of persons. A corporation soul consists of one office holder at a time, whereas corporate personality usually applies to bodies consisting of many members like companies or corporations. Continuity. In a corporation soul, continuity is maintained despite the change of the individual holding the office. In corporate personality, continuity exists despite changes in membership. Ownership of property. In a corporation soul, property belongs to the office, not to the individual person. Under corporate personality, property belongs to the corporate body itself, not to its members. Purpose. A corporation soul is created mainly for administrative convenience and continuity of office, while corporate personality is created to allow an organization to function independently with rights and duties. In short, a corporation soul is a special type of legal person with a single office holder, whereas corporate personality is a broader concept giving separate legal existence to organizations. Conclusion. In conclusion, corporate personality and corporation soul are important legal concepts that allow non-human entities to function effectively under law. Corporate personality gives an organization a separate legal identity, enabling it to own property, enter into contracts, and bear rights and duties independently of its members. A corporation sole, on the other hand, ensures continuity of an office by treating the office and its successive holders as one legal person. Together, these concepts promote stability, continuity, and efficient administration in legal, governmental, and institutional systems.